and dear participant, a very warm welcome to all of you to Sri Chhatrapati Jain College, Pinju, for our special webinar on Advanced Front-End Development with React.js, proudly organized by the Department of Computer Applications, cyborg 2026. To formally commence the session, may I invite Lieutenant A.N. Tirunellai, Assistant Professor and Head of the Computer Applications Department, to extend a warm welcome and set the stage for today's learning.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to today's webinar on Advanced Front-End Development with React.js. We are honored to have with us our esteemed resource person, Mr. D.PRABHAKARAN, Front-End Developer, Marvel Tech COE Chennai, with his strong industry experience and deep expertise in React.js. Sir, we are truly grateful to you for taking the time to share your knowledge and experience with us today. Welcome, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to management for your support and pillar of this program, our principal ma'am, Dr. N. Sujata. Welcome you, ma'am. I welcome all the HODs, students, participants from various colleges who have joined this section. Welcome you all. I encourage everyone to actively engage and make the most of this learning opportunity. Thank you, and once again, I welcome you all a productive and insightful webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. To introduce our esteemed chief speaker, I now request Mrs. A. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, to enlighten us about our speaker's achievements and contributions.
Good morning to everyone present here. It is my great pleasure and privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's webinar. We are honored to welcome Mr. Prabhakaran, a highly skilled web developer specialized in UI development and AWS integration. He has over 4 years of professional experience in designing and developing responsive, user-centric web applications. Mr. Prabhakaran has a strong expertise in React.js, JavaScript, and Next.js and modern front-end technologies. He is also experienced in developing and managing applications on cloud platforms, particularly AWS services such as S3, EC2, and Lambda on CloudFront. He completed his MTech in CSE with 75% in Christ College of Engineering and Technology in Puducherry. Throughout his professional journey, he was worked with a reputed organization including a like IT Solution, Zufis Technologies, and Resolutor Technologies, and Marble Tech COE. He has contributed significantly to work projects like real estate platform, cab booking applications, school management systems, and HR management systems, showcasing his ability to build scalable and performance-oriented web solutions. His dedications to continuous learning and clean coding practices and innovative thinking makes him an inspiration of a young aspiring developers. We are truly fortunate to you with us today to share your knowledge and industry insights. On behalf of our organizing committee, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. We are eager to hear your valuable thoughts and experiences.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to invite the speaker, Mr. D. Prabhakaran, sir, to start the session. Have your time, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Let's start the section, sir.
Okay. This session is regarding advanced front-end development with the React.js concept. Okay. First of all, I will start from basic, from HTML to React. First of all, how many of them have idea about what is HTML, what is CSS, what is Bootstrap, what is React? Please raise your hands.
Our audience are from YouTube only, sir. So you can directly go to the session.
Okay. Okay, let's start about HTML basic. Okay, HTML is just a markup language. It is just want to We need to write everything in the browser means we need to write we need to use HTML like that. This is my first web page. This is my HTML code. Okay. Uh, if you want to style the text means we need to use CSS. So HTML is just the basic platform to write anything inside content in the browser. So for that purpose, we are using HTML. It is just a markup language. Okay. Then come to CSS. What is the purpose of CSS? Means to style the content which we are writing in the browser. Like you are watching the hello world. See, it is a blue color, so we can use styles. Okay. After that, JavaScript. JavaScript is a language. What type of language means? It is a scripting language to give interaction to the browser. Like if we click me means it will show some interaction. Hello, welcome to JavaScript. Like that interaction we need to use in the browser means we need to use JavaScript language. Okay. Uh, Hello, sir. Can you see my PPT presentation? Hello.
Yes, sir. It was visible. Now you again closed it seems.
Oh, okay, okay. One second, one second.
It is already open in the tab, sir. Yeah.
Okay, now it is useful, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. This is HTML structure. First of all, we need to for to create HTML, we are using like tools like Notepad, Visual Studio Code. Those are the tools we need to write HTML code. Okay. In the code, we need to write HTML like template. For example, doc type. Doc type is used to which version of HTML we are using. HTML head means title of the our browser. What title we are need to give? That's it. Inside body tag. This is inside body. We are give what we need to write in the browser. Like allowed. This is my first page. Click me. Okay. Without CSS, how our browser will look like means see this is a page which you are designed without CSS, without any style, no color, no nothing, anything. Okay, this is a basic HTML. If we need to apply style for that for our browser means we need to connect CSS code. Already I connected CSS. I wrote CSS for the HTML page. So I just connect the page to HTML like this. This is a connecting page. Link relation type, which type style sheet. Ref means what type of reference we are using page demo.css. I just connect my page to HTML. If I connect after that, or out my page look like this. Okay. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript is nothing but just we need to give in some interaction what we need to do in that page. For example, if we having a button, if I click the button, what interaction we need. So for that I write some function. For example, JavaScript is a language. In that language we write some function. So inside function what we are giving, it will display like action. If we click me means it just throw actions. Hello, welcome to JavaScript. Okay. So still now, do you you understand what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JavaScript. I don't want waste time to explain briefly about HTML, CSS, JavaScript because that is very basic. Now current trend is cloud AI platform. So we just move on to what is library, what is framework, what is React.js, what is cloud, and what is AI platform. Okay. Next, what is library? What is framework? Library means inside library there are many functions is written inbuilt. Okay, we just use that function, and we can also reuse that water according based on the requirement. Okay, framework framework is structured environment. We can't able to change anything inside that. Okay, this is the basic difference between libraries and framework. Okay, why I'm going to why I'm explaining libraries and framework means because to develop the website or any application, which technology we need to use, whether library based technology or framework based technology, we need to uh, get the knowledge to develop the application. So for that purpose I am explaining what is library, what is framework. Library means it is a inbuilt function inside library. There are many inbuilt function already bundled in the library. Okay, we just uh, we just grab the function and use it wherever we need in the browser. Okay, based on our website requirement. Framework is nothing but it is also a function, but we need to apply once, and we can't able to change that without if you try to change means the entire website will be blocked. So that is the difference between library and the framework. Okay, next one. Why React.js? uh, React.js is a JavaScript library. It is a JavaScript is a parent of the React. The child one is a React. Another child is AngularJS. Angular is framework. React is library. So library, when come to React.js, it is a fast. It gives fast performance to your software, to your website, and single page application. Single page application means we can give many interaction from the parent server itself. Okay, we can't be able to move to server side. From parent side itself we give all the interaction like JavaScript action. So that's why it has become fast performance, and it is a component based application. Fast performance, reusable and maintainable. What are the suppose if we develop the website from 2000 noons, after 10 years we need some changes. We don't worry to develop to develop any changes in the website without any hesitation, because we are using React.js. The code will be very fast, and the change is also very easable, very easiest to develop the code. So only that is reusable code and maintainable. Industry standard. There are some rules to write a good code practice. So that is the industry standard. They have maintained. They prefer some good community to maintain industry standard. Okay. Next, data management database. Database nothing but um, you just want to store our data. For example, if you are in school, you consider your college. In the college you have more than 1,000 students. Okay, the 1,000 students of details want to maintain in a database. Without database we can't able to maintain any of the details as a Excel sheet or anything. Okay, we need to maintain everything in the database. So only we need website. So for example, website means there are three connectivities there. First step is front end, second step is back end, third step is database. Okay, First, front end means we are using some technologies like React.js, AngularJS, um, like that. Backend means we will use Node.js, PHP, um, Java, Python, and so on. Database, when come to database means we will use SQL database, Oracle, MySQL, like that. What are the difference between front end and back end and database means? Front end means now you are seeing your view. See, if you are seeing my in YouTube means they will display now that is a front end. Whatever seeing in your eyes means it is a front end. Uh, when you click, okay, back end means when you click the user details button, it's showing some data. No, the data is fetching from the backend side. Okay, so we just taking the details from the database. So that the action we are giving in the backend means that is a backend sector. Okay, the details of a student which is stored in the database. So first, this webinar is about React.js front end. Okay, first of all, I just give idea what is front end, what is back end, and what is database. From this session, we just see about what is React.js. Okay. After that, I will teach what is cloud. Okay. First of all, how to install React.js. Wait, I will show you clearly. To install React.js, we need to install command npx create React app my webinar 1. Okay. This is a command to create the React application. Okay. Our React application is created. To go inside our project means how to start our application. We need to give command npm start to start our React application. Okay. This is the initial stage that you successfully installed React application. Okay. Why React means we need to create a website or any product means for that purpose we are going to React.js application. Okay. This is in that application we just write JavaScript code only. But to write JavaScript, why we are using React means because React is just a React is a library. It already having many inbuilt classes to build website easy and faster way. Okay, so only we are moving to React.js. Okay, after we installed React application, those are the folders it is created by inbuilt. Okay, node modules means nothing but whatever packages we are installing, those packages will automatically come inside node modules. And then public, it is nothing but the default images are stored inside the public folder. SRC means your business logic front end view. whatever logic you are going to write inside the src means you need to write inside this folder. Okay. First of all, app.js. Um, okay. We will see what is inside app.js. See, it is inside app.js. Just they are giving header command, header attribute, image sector, edit, learn React. This whatever we are giving inside app means it will come in a browser. See, so this is the parent of our parent file of our project. Okay, this is CSS file to style our website. Index means index of our React.js index, because whatever we are because React is a component based application. Component means what it means, if we are using mm, component inside that header.js, uh, home.js. Okay, what a file we are creating in this means this is a component. Okay, we just connect our component to app.js. Inside app.js, we just want to connect our component. So those components are bundled and rendered in the index page. So it automatically show in your browser. For example, see, I'm just writing. See, see, this is the basic step to write a React component. Okay, first of all, we need to import React. Okay, then write function home. In the function home, inside return, we need to write whatever we need to display inside home component. Okay, for example, I'm giving this is my home page. Okay. Okay, I just entered. I just completed home page. Okay, now I need to connect my home page to our app.js. How we are going to connect? Let's see. We don't want this. Just we need to call home. Okay, you understand? If you what is the main mistake means? We need to give capital case in for our application name. Okay, but file name we need to use lowercase. That is one of the rules in React.js. If you didn't use a capital case means you can't able to connect your component to your app.js. So only I just connect. I can't able to connect for first time. Okay. Now you see your application. See, this is my home page. Okay, this is the home page. Next, how to style this component? There are three types of uh, styles we will use. One is inline style. Inline style means we will write our style inside our attribute. Style equal to color blue. Okay. Now check your website. Color blue. Okay. Font size 15 pixel. See, whatever I giving style, that is easily rendered in the browser. This is a basic one. How you will write component and how you will style. This is one of the style, inline style. Next style means we can write style outside also. For example, uh, home dot css. Inside that you will write dot oh, color. See, I this is a class I wrote in a CSS. Okay, now I'm going to connect CSS file. Just remove the inline CSS. Import to connect our external CSS means we need to give import dot home dot css to confirm it is correctly confirmed. To we need to check whether it is going to correct place. If it is going to correct place, it will be correct. Okay. Now we write class name. Class name equal to home because we entered here home. Dot means class. Okay. If you give asterisk means it is ID. So I am using class. Okay. Class. See, if you see your browser, the same style it is showing. Okay. This is a very basic one. Another thing, how we can develop our website means there is a Bootstrap. Bootstrap is one of the framework for styling framework to develop our code very far. To develop our coding style very fast. For that, we need to use Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap. This is one. To install Bootstrap, we need to give command npm install Bootstrap. They'll okay. Hello. First of all, we need to install Bootstrap perfectly, so that it was if you install means if you didn't correct install means it won't work. Okay, so that is the main problem in Bootstrap. Okay, first of all, I'm explaining what is Bootstrap means. It is just a framework. In the framework, we will have everything inside. Inside everything inside that library. Okay, see, Bootstrap means button. Already we have button. What shall we will use? It is having different types of button. Primary, secondary, successfully. If you give inside button means it will show automatically here. Okay, so this is a Bootstrap. If we want accordion means we will also use accordion. Everything it is having default. We can't able to develop from basic from HTML CSS code. Okay, just we need to take code here and just we need to use it there. Okay, that's it. Batch. So this is a Bootstrap. Next one is this is a styling. This is only for styling purposes, not for connecting DB. Okay. Next one is cloud platform. So we just move to cloud. Okay. Okay. What is cloud? Why we are using cloud? Without cloud means how we can host our website. If you are developing a website, for example, any school website developed without cloud means how you host your website in the in Google website. Okay, so to host your website, we need to use cloud, and if your website is entered into cloud means your data are more securable. For example, the cloud platform, there are more cloud platform like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, everything. Okay, AWS means it's just a console, AWS console application. It is a cloud computing service. It is having many service. Like example, see, let's go cloud. Whatever domain you are working, for example, application integration. For example, if you integrate some APIs, means for that they are giving more than services. Okay, artificial intelligence, business application. For whatever domain you are working, they will give more services they are offering. So to store our website data, we need to use a S3 bucket. Okay, S3 bucket. S3 bucket is nothing but to store. If, for example, in your website you are using more than 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs data means for every too much of data we can't able to store inside a single database. Okay, for example, MongoDB, SQL. If you store too much data in local database, means it will go down and your website often crashes. So for that purposes, we are moving to cloud platform. Okay, when you move to cloud means they will provide multiple service like storing 10 billion data and storing or securable information, everything for each and everything they provide services. So for each service they offer some purchase bill also. Okay, so that is the main thing we need to see in AWS. Same what is said that is also in Azure. Azure nothing but Microsoft company. Okay, and Google providing Google Cloud. So both three of them are same providing same service but different platform. One is Microsoft, one is Google. Okay. Next one is okay. AI. Now current trend is AI. Without AI, we can't able to survive inside the software development. What is AI? What is why AI is reducing the human power in software development? Because, for example, perplexity. See, this is on AI. Okay. Hmm. I need to install Angular JS. Okay, now you understand what you is doing that what it is doing. You just ask how to I need to install Angular JS. It explain whatever command you need to give everything. Okay, so without coding knowledge, you can't able to survive inside software development. For this is a current trend. You need to know how to prompt in using AI because AI is, the main purpose of using AI is to reduce time complexity to complete a project. Okay, this is a for example for coding platform many AI we have for example Perplexity, ChatGPT, Tom AI, Gamma, everything. Okay, like that we are having multiple AI platform. Nowadays the current trend, if you going to attend any interview means they are ask the recruiter mainly asking what are the AI tools you are familiar with that. They didn't ask any interview question first of all. First of all, you are familiar with AI tools. Next only they are moving to what technology you are familiar. Uh, Next only they are checking your skills. So first of all, you have to understand how to use AI platform and then how to store our website, move our website to cloud platform. So that is this is a basic software technology and basic platform, basic idea. Whatever I told you, this is very basic. Okay, so without basic, we can't able to survive inside the software development application. Okay. Okay. Today that's all. Hello, hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Today's session completed. That's all. Whatever.
Okay, okay. I'll ask the
I
team to coordinate.
uh,
Yeah.
um,
Yoga
thank you
Lakshmi,
for
madam. Nallai madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir has finished this session. You can
Okay, sir.
proceed.
Okay, sir. At the end of this session, e-certificate link will be provided. Kindly register on it and get your certificates. Participants, if anybody has any queries, kindly message it in the comment section.
There is a question raised by the participant
Okay.
on the screen. Please, can you please answer it? Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, yeah. The college student has only 6 months. What extra roadmap would you suggest to become a job ready React front-end developer? Okay. You just need a basic knowledge of how to use HTML, CSS, mainly Bootstrap and MUI, Tailwind CSS, uh, and then JavaScript logic. Because JavaScript is the main language to develop any kind of website. For example, HRMS tool, any school website, any CRMS project. For any kind of website, we must use JavaScript only. Okay, without JavaScript knowledge, we can't able to develop any single application, interactive application. Uh, so first of all, you need to master in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. After that, you need to scale upon Bootstrap MUI. So and then you need to gain basic knowledge about React. What is React and how we need to install? How we need to what are the histories of React and what are the basics of React? So those knowledge is mainly required. And then you need to gain some AI platform tool to how to use. Okay, this knowledge is enough to go into the job. Or any other doubt? Okay, if you need any queries regarding React.js or a front-end development sector or any career related in software domain means kindly ping me. I will try to give some advice and so roadmap to guide you. Okay.
Can you share any of your email ID or
Yeah, I'll share. I will share. Sir. Already I shared my resume to ma'am. So in that
okay.
resume.
Really, madam, there is no questions. You can proceed next.
Okay, sir.
So let's end up the session with thanks. To conclude the session and express our heartfelt gratitude to all speakers, faculty, and participants, may I invite Mrs. D. Sabarishwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, to deliver the oath of thanks.
Good morning to all. I am D. Sabarishwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, presented here to deliver my vote of thanks. It's my privilege to extend my heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of our college and our department. First and foremost, I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Mr. D.PRABHAKARAN, front-end developer, Marvel Tech CEO, for taking this time to grace this webinar with his presence and for sharing the valuable insight on the advanced front-end development with React JavaScript. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our management for this valuable support and our principal, Dr. L. Sujata, for her continued support and encouragement in organizing such a informative events. A special thanks to our department head and faculty members for dedicated and efforts. And I thank our PRO and technical team for the dedicated efforts behind the screen. Last but not least, I thank all the participants for their extreme and active engagement. Once again, I thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.